Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise when you use the blades, it's likely due to wear and tear on the components. This noise can indicate that the blades are not functioning properly, which could lead to further damage if not addressed quickly. Ignoring this issue may result in a more costly repair or even a complete breakdown of the device. To fix this problem, you'll need a screwdriver, a replacement blade assembly, and possibly some lubricant if the components are stiff. First, ensure the Thermomix is unplugged before you begin. Start by gently prying open the device's casing using a flat screwdriver. Be careful not to damage the plastic clips as you work your way around. Once the casing is off, locate the blade assembly. It is typically situated at the bottom of the mixing bowl. Check for any visible signs of wear or damage. If you find that the blades are indeed faulty, remove them by unscrewing the retaining nut. Use a suitable screwdriver, applying gentle but firm pressure. Remember, it's essential not to strip the screw head. After removing the nut, you can lift out the blade assembly. When replacing it with a new one, ensure that it fits snugly into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Reattach the retaining nut, making sure it's secure but not over-tightened, as this could damage the new blades. Before reassembling the casing, take a moment to check that all cables are connected properly and there are no loose parts. Once you're satisfied everything is in order, carefully push the casing back together until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, plug your Thermomix back in and run a short test to ensure the blades operate smoothly without any grinding noise. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean your blades regularly and avoid overloading the mixing bowl. Regular maintenance can go a long way in prolonging the life of your Thermomix. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.